Okay, I just had a thought to take a shot of me stitching this bangle before I kept going. I just put in some markers to start with, and so far this will be the first time I've attempted stitching it on a large machine all the way around. As far as I can work out, it should work alright. It's been working so far, so here we go. Because of the flexible part inside, it's able to flex around on this. I'm saying you wouldn't have to be fairly careful doing it. Okay, for you makers out there that are interested, the thread I'm using is a metric 20, often referred to as a 135 or 138 thread. The needle size I'm using is a 23 Smith's LR, also size-wise 160 referred to. Okay, the flexible part inside of this that you're watching is a part that I'm producing at the moment with the 3D printer. It's got a lot of flex and it seems to be very good for the job that I've been testing so far. And there'll be 3 different sizes in the kit, small, medium and large, large being for men and medium being the average person, women and men, small being for the smaller ladies and teenagers. Okay, the kit for this should be available within the next week. 4 stitches. Okay, we'll go and have a good look at that. Right, we'll have a look at this on the table a bit more later, but basically I've just got to clean those threads up. Yeah, okay. Okay, we'll try again. I'm just having a close look at the stitching. I've got to admit that I'm quite surprised it worked as well as it did. Basically, being stitched on a big machine like that, I wouldn't have thought I'd get away with it, but there you go. Came out pretty good. I'll just see if I can show it on my wrist. Obviously I've still got to clean up the threads, but there you go.